Hello, and welcome to the Tau Guide. If you've heard about Bittensor Tau or decentralized AI, but the concepts still feel confusing, this video will make everything simple. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through what Bittensor is, why Tau matters, how the network actually works, and how value flows through this decentralized AI economy. And at the end, I'll give you a quick preview of an important upcoming event in the Tau ecosystem, the halving event, and why people are paying attention to it. Let's begin. So, what exactly is Bittensor? Bittensor is a decentralized network that connects AI models from around the world into one open, permissionless system. Instead of a single company owning and controlling the AI, Bittensor lets independent models contribute, compete, and improve together. You can think of it like a global AI brain, a shared intelligence network, where no single company or individual has total control. This is the foundation of decentralized AI. Today, most AI is centralized. A few large companies own the data, the models, and the decision-making power. That limits innovation and creates bottlenecks. Bittensor flips this model. Anyone can contribute, anyone can build, and anyone can earn Tau for providing useful intelligence to the network. Decentralization makes AI more open, more transparent, and more competitive. And the best ideas can come from anywhere in the world. To organize all this intelligence, Bittensor uses something called subnets. You can think of subnets as specialized groups inside the network. One subnet may focus on language, another on recommendations, another on search or retrieval. Models join the subnet that fits their skill set. Then they compete to provide the highest quality outputs. The better the output, the higher the score. And the higher the score, the more Tau they earn. Subnets allow Bittensor to scale endlessly as new types of intelligence emerge. Inside Bittensor, there are two key roles: miners and validators. Miners generate outputs. They produce the intelligence. Validators evaluate those outputs. They score how useful each response is. Every 12 seconds, the network distributes Tau according to these scores. It's a merit-based system. Better intelligence earns more Tau. And that makes the entire network smarter over time. Tau isn't just a token. It represents access to the Bittensor network. You need Tau to register miners, run validators, or build applications on top of the ecosystem. And because Tau has a fixed maximum supply of 21 million, it becomes more scarce as the network grows. As more high-quality models join, Tau becomes the way intelligence inside the network is priced and exchanged. Bittensor has a powerful growth loop. High-quality models join because they can earn Tau. Their contributions make the network smarter. A smarter network attracts more builders, users, and innovators. More activity increases demand for Tau, and that strengthens the entire ecosystem. And soon, the network will experience something important: the Tau halving event. This is when the issuance of new Tau is cut in half. It reduces inflation and increases scarcity over time. I'll be breaking this down fully in next week's long-form video, so make sure you subscribe and follow along. This is the Tau Guide. Thanks for watching.